Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure you have the latest VS Code build installed and that you know which shell you want, PowerShell, Bash, or WSL. Once done, open Settings and confirm the terminal. Integrated. Shell. Asterisk path matches the shell binary. This avoids path mismatches. Also check file and execution permissions for the shell binary. Close extra terminal panels and disable any terminal managing extensions temporarily so you isolate the issue before proceeding to deeper. Now you diagnose and run detailed fixes. First, open Developer Tools and watch the console for errors when you open a terminal. Error messages reveal missing executables or permission denials. Next, kill all terminals and create a fresh one to rule out zombie processes. If problems persist, revert terminal settings to defaults, test with an external shell, and launch VS Code from a system shell to inherit environment variables. Make sure to temporarily disable extensions that hook into terminals to isolate the root cause. Finish by applying permanent fixes and validating success. Restore any custom terminal settings you require, then re-enable extensions one at a time while testing the terminal so you spot a conflicting extension quickly. If you use WSL or remote containers, confirm the remote subsystem is running and that VS Code has proper remote extension support. Finally, restart VS Code, and if necessary, reboot the host. If the terminal still fails, collect Developer Tools logs and the terminal output. Use them to pinpoint permission, path, or extension conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.